Hello prodigies! In today's video, I'll show you how to solve 2x2 Rubik's Cube Ortega method. So let's get right into it. First, you do have to know how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube with the beginner's method. So go watch that now, if you don't know it. If you do know all of that, then you're ready. Now let's get right into this. So first, for the Ortega method, here are the steps. First, you find the color that makes easiest to make. Like orange has 3 already, and yellow has here. In my opinion, I would go for yellow. So let's just go here. And then we make one side, like this. And if you already know how to solve 2x2 with the beginner's method, this shouldn't be too hard. Yellow face. Now we use one of 7 algorithms to solve the top. After that's done, we would finish the rest of the cube off. Now that's the Ortega method. So we want to learn how to do those steps. But there are multiple algorithms and you will have to learn about maybe 12 algorithms. Now that seems like a lot, but it's actually very easy. So we can start. First, there's the first algorithm which solves the top face. So first we're gonna teach this one, which goes like so. First, we're going to teach this one, which has 1 bar on the top, and then 2 outward stickers over here, like that. And then hold the bar on the right, and then the 2 outward stickers on the left. And then do this algorithm. And then that'll solve the top face. Next, we're going to teach this algorithm, which has 2 diagonal stickers, and there's only one algorithm for this. So you hold the yellow one on the front so you can see it, and the other one over here so you can see it as well, like that. And then hold these diagonal stickers on the bottom right and the top left, and then do this algorithm. That solves it. Next, we're going to learn this algorithm with a bar on the left, over here, like this. Not on the top, on the left this time, right here. And then 2 outward stickers once again. Then, if you hold the 2 outward stickers on the right, and the 2 headlights, which is on the left, and keep it on the left, you just do this algorithm to solve it. And that solves that. Now we're going to learn this algorithm with a bar on the front and a bar on the back if we hold it like this. It could also be a bar on the right and bar on the left. But if you do have these bars, or here, hold them on the front and back, and then do this algorithm. Then that's all that. You could also have this case, which you can solve like this. That's all. You could also have this case, which we are going to solve like this. There you go. That solves that. So that's for doing the top face. What about the other 5? So there are 5 more, which don't solve the top face, but they do solve the rest of the cube. So here's how they do it. Here's the first one. Looks like this. A bar on the left, and these two just need to swap. Hold the ones I need to swap on the right, and then do this algorithm, which is also known as the T-perm. That solves the rest of the cube. Could also have this case, where none need to swap, but none adjacent need to swap, but diagonal ones need to swap. Now just hold these anywhere. It could be here. With doing this algorithm, it would solve that. Or you could also do it from here, which would just leave you with the U2, which is technically still solved, but you have to do the U2. So, enough with that. Let's just learn the algorithm. Which can also be done, the last move doesn't have to be done like that. It can also be done like this, which is more advanced. Or even this. Now the rest of the 3. If you build a side instead of a layer, which is actually the first step, sometimes you accidentally build a layer, sometimes the top is a layer, so you have to do one of those 2 algorithms. But there's this case, which goes like this. When you have a bar on the bottom and top, you just hold them connected to a face side, put that on the front, and then do this. B2. And that solves that. You could also have this one. When you have 1 bar on the top, or 1 bar on the bottom, but if you have it at the bottom, just change it to the top. It should be on the top front, and then do this. It's pretty easy. That does that. Now the final one, which is the easiest in my opinion, this one, and you have no bars on top and bottom. It's pretty easy. It's kind of like checkerboard pattern, but you too. Sometimes it could end up like this, or even the checkerboard pattern. But here's how you fix it. We have one of these turns, then you have to do those at the end. Now, I hope you found this helpful. If you can solve a Rubik's Cube, then just go solve world problems.